Understanding Plumbing Fixtures, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of household vocabulary with a focus on plumbing fixtures. Understanding these common terms not only helps in day-to-day conversation but also enriches your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Plumbing fixtures are an essential part of any building's water and drainage systems. They include various installations that help in distributing water for use and disposing of waterborne waste. Common examples are sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and showers. These fixtures are usually fixed in place, which means they are not easily movable. In this section, we'll explore the most common types of plumbing fixtures you might encounter. 1. Sinks. Found in kitchens and bathrooms. Sinks are used for washing hands, dishes, and other small cleaning tasks. 2. Toilets. A vital fixture for disposal of human waste. 3. Bathtubs and showers. Used for bathing. They are common in most households. 4. Faucets. These are devices that control the flow of water in sinks, bathtubs, and showers. Understanding these types can help you better navigate conversations and situations involving household maintenance and design. Plumbing fixtures play a crucial role in our daily lives. They ensure hygiene and convenience by providing easy access to water and sanitation facilities. Knowing their names and functions is not only practical for daily living but also essential for those learning English, especially if you are traveling, renting a home, or engaging in conversations about home maintenance. Maintaining plumbing fixtures is important for a healthy and functioning home. Common issues that you might come across include leaky faucets, clogged drains, and running toilets. Learning how to describe these problems in English is incredibly useful, especially if you need to communicate with a plumber or a landlord. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary related to plumbing fixtures. Remember, learning these terms not only helps in specific scenarios but also enhances your overall English language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.